Hi everyone, welcome back to Liam channel. Today I'm going to show you Indominus Lex, and I'm going to take off this armor real quick. Real quick. This is how it looks without armor. It can shoot. It can run. Writing him out. It can move. I'm going to turn that off now. And this is how the armor looks. With this toy gun, you can take the toy gun off of getting off of armor. And this protects the dinosaur from breaking and getting crushed. So if it falls down here and if it lands, this is going to protect it from breaking. And it got a pattern on the back. Pattern is a code. If you scan it, it will show Indominus Lex. This pattern Indominus Lex. You can take this armor on and put the gun on, and this can move. The stomping and the biting is kind of hurts. You can see. And bye everyone. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.